Hello everyone, my name is Uma Mahajan. In this recording, I am going to discuss about the task number 6 provided by the Spark Foundation. In this objective this task is about prediction using decision tree algorithm. Objective is to create a decision tree classifier and visualize it graphically. In step number 1, we import library and dataset. First, we import a library such as pandas and numpy. Then using pandas, we read our dataset. Then using data.head, we display first top 10 rows of our data. Then step 2 is a data pre-processing. In that we had did the univariate analysis. Then using data.info, we get information regarding our data set. It includes column name, then count and data type of our columns. Then data.describe method is used to describe or to provide description regarding our data. If we have numerical values in our data set, then it includes following information such as count, that is number of values, mean, that means average of our data, then standard deviation, then mean, and 25 percentile, 50 percentile, 75 percentile. Then we remove irrelevant variable. In this id is irrelevant variable, so we remove it. Then we check for the null values using data dot is na dot sum. Then we find the outliers using box plot method. In this diagram, we can see that outliers are present only in the second column, that is a sepal width. Upper as well as at the lower side outliers are there. Then we can remove the outliers using minimizing technique. Outliers are the data points which are extremely different from our data set. And minimizing technique is the method in which we replace our outliers by using by limiting its extreme value, we replace the outliers. Then we import Seaborn for box plot, and we can see that we have successfully removed our outliers from our data set. Next, we take subset data of number. Here we can see the numerical columns such as sepal length, sepal width, and petal length and petal width. Then we find the numerical columns. Then taking subset data of category. After that, we convert quality or categorical label to the number using label encoder. In label encoder method, we convert label to the numbers. It is one of the important pre-processing technique used in the supervised algorithm for the structured dataset. Then we combine the dataset using pd.concat. After combine, we did the model building. We import the tree classifier model. Then from sklearn we import the tree, and we have used by default, decision tree classifier use Gini index for splitting the dataset. We train the model using the training set. Step number 4 is about plotting the tree. We find the independent variable. Then from sklearn we import the tree and import the matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. Then here is a 4 columns such as iris setosa, iris varicolor, and iris virginica. Then from plt.subplot we plot our tree. In features name there are independent variables, class name is species, and fill equals to true for the color input, and node id is equals to true, which display the node number. Here we can see the tree of our iris dataset, and this is the parent, this is the root node, this is the root node, and these are the parent node. These are the branches: first branch, second branch, third branch, and the fourth branch. There are 4 branches present in our dataset. Thank you.